We got a little time. I got the wig cut before showtime. I'm getting ready, checking. Adam's just hiding. He doesn't want anybody to see him. He's inside playing guitar. Like, you hear him, but you don't see him. Oh my God, this is the greatest invention ever. Guitar's in. Are you feeling it?
I'm feeling it, bro. Definitely feeling it.
Who's over there? There's a gay guy walking around in an American flag outfit. I don't know.
These shorts? You want to wear these shorts right now? I'll take them off if you want trade.
Wait, oh, look out. This is the Wizard of Oz is behind the green curtain, making everything happen. There's Damon. Hardy hard. Never heard that before, have you? What? Not from somebody he likes, right?